In this example, we are going to show you how to add roof lines to existing roofs. So we highlight, in this case, you see the roof is highlighted, but clearly there are roof lines. Maybe as a roofer, you would like to have measurements and use that as well. We use for that case, this one here. It's a little easier to kind of see the roof. And all you're doing is tracing basically. Well, you go to the structures, you go to roof line, select the roof line, and then simply click and trace, click and trace, click and trace, right? And you do again as you continue creating various roof lines. So in this kind of scenario, you notice that there is this one. There is also this one. There is as well this one. And also, last part is this section. So while I did it in a multiple runs, you can also do it in one round. And if you want to, click again and make adjustments if you wish. So now we have all the roof lines within the same scenario. You could add roof lines to any existing roofs.